ni ubukwe. The man is called bridegroom. Umukwe tumwita bridegroom. Naho umugore ari umugeni yitwa bride. Umugeni turamwita bride nkuko mubibona muri no foto. Harry and Sarah got married. Harry na Sarah barashyingiwe cyangwa barasezeranye. They got married. Iyo go tushatse wahire twavuga ngo they married. They got married in 2001. Bashyingiwe cyangwa basezeranye mu 2001. Married without God is more formal. Iyi married idafite God ikunze gukoreshwa cyane mu buryo bwa kiyobozi buri officiel. They went on their honeymoon to Italy. Bagiye mu kwezi kwa buki kwabo mu Butaliyani. They were married for 15 years. Bakaba bamaze imyaka 15 babana. Now let us look at common mistakes. Ubu rero mureke turebere hamwe amakosa akunze gukorwa n'abantu bose. Baravuga ngo we say Sarah got married to Harry. Baravuga ngo Sarah yashyingiwe Harry. Ntago bavuga ngo got married with Harry. Ntago bavuga ngo yasezeranye ukiriho ngo with. Ntago aribyo ngibyo aribyo ari namakosa. Now we are going to talk about death. Ubu tugiye kuvuga ku rupfu. Look at the picture. Reba ino foto ukurikiranye n'amagambo ngiye kubasobanurira. So, in the picture you can see a coffin and people surrounding it. Muri iyi foto urabona isanduku bashyinguramo uwapfuye n'abantu bayikikije. Ibyo bigaragaza ko umuntu yapfuye. Let's explain. Then Harry became ill. Nuko Harry ararwara. He died last year. Yapfuye umwaka washize. He died of a heart attack. Yishwe n'umutima. Iyo tuvuga ngo runaka yishwe na ariko ari indwara yamwishe uvuga ngo he died of. He died of. Ntabwo ari of. Mutandukanye of ivuga kuvanaho na of ya preposition ivuga ngo cha. Urupfu rwa the death of. Ntabwo ari of of. So tuvuze ko yishwe n'umutima.